Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Tinder. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to update your profile information quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, open the Tinder app and make sure that you're logged into your account where you want to change your name. Then tap on the profile icon, which you will find in the bottom right corner. Now click on this gear icon or the setting icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down and you will notice there is no direct option to change your name on Tinder. Unfortunately, once you have set your name during account creation, you cannot change it within the app. However, if you really want to update your name, the only way to do is by deleting your current account and creating a new one. When setting up the new account, you can enter the name you prefer. If you're hoping for a future update that allows name changes directly, you will need to wait for Tinder to introduce that feature. For now, deleting and recreating your account is the only option. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.